Alright, we got some toys. And by toys, I mean parts. So let's see what they are. I know the seat is still a little dirty. I haven't cleaned that, but look at those floor mats. Oh yes. So we got the floor mats, the shift boot. I still need to clean the interior. I did give a wipe down of the dash a couple videos ago, but that was a couple weeks ago. So next thing I need to do for the inside is clean the seats. Get 2 new door panels, because like I said, the door cards in the middle, or whatever you want to technically call those, have broken off from the actual door panel themselves. But let's give her a good startup, shall we? There you go. Oh yes. So, last few things I have to do on the interior. Stop going off. So annoying. Last thing I have to find for the interior is the trim ring that goes around the Climatronic unit there. I guess it's a bezel cover. Everything else seems to be, I don't know why that looks like it's, I wonder if that bottle was dripping right there, because I had it in the cup holder. So, squirrel moment. Okay, like I said, trim ring around the bezel. I already put the glove box assembly in, so that is in where it needs to be. Got the floor mats, which are, I believe, factory floor mats. They do not have any emblems on them. Yes, they actually do snap into place right there. And I have the rear ones, but on my vehicle, the rear tabs that go through the fastener are not in the carpet. So the rear of this vehicle does not come with those little studs. But that's okay, I have mats in there. Trim ring around the bezel. I have a new cluster sitting inside. It has the brushed backgrounds, like around the RPM numbers and around the speedometer, like sweeping that way, sweeping that way. I think they have them behind the temperature and the fuel level gauge as well. But main reason why I wanted to get a new cluster was because that one has a faded MFD or MFA, whatever those are called. The displays, I think it's the multifunction display is what it's called, is faded red, notorious for these cars. That is inside. I have to send it off to get programmed for the correct mileage. And then I got to do the headliner. And then the interior is done. Oh yeah, and I got to fix this. You guys see that? The little wobble. So I'm going to take this off, tighten that bolt. The interior should be done. Now with this car, I didn't want to do anything crazy with the interior. I wanted to keep it nice and clean, really simple, the way it should be. Maybe down the road, however long I keep it, I go custom and do some stuff with it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. But as far as the outside, all I have to do is fix those 2 dents. One right there, one right there. Probably going to get a new hatch. I got to get new headlights. And then I'm going to get the silicone fixed around the rear windows, have the glass pulled, resealed by a professional. Then I'm going to get this in one color. Let me know what you guys think I should paint this down in the comments below. Go right now. As far as wheels go, I'm not going to do the stretch Stance Nation look on this like I'm going to do on the GLI. Once this is done, the GLI is going Super Camber Gang Stance Nation style. I know a lot of people don't like that, but I do to a degree. So this is going to be my daily. I'm going to drop it on coilovers, 18s probably. I'm not going to do anything stretchy wise that I want to do right this minute. I could change down the road, but as of right now, it's going to be an aggressive looking daily driver. that is going to do it for today's video, you guys. Thanks for stopping by. With all the modifications and everything I'm doing with the vehicle, I wanted to give you guys an update. A lot of you guys actually message me on Instagram. Some of you guys know me personally and will text me, hey, what's going on with the GTI? How come I don't have a video of it? Da 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 da. This is the update video. You guys take care. See you guys on the next one.